Hello, everyone. My name is Gabriel Enrique. I'm a PhD student in the Babcock lab. Today, I'll be talking to you about the causal linkage between seagrass restoration and gag grouper young of year juveniles. As you might already know, seagrass habitats provide essential nurseries for juvenile fish like gag grouper, so there's been a heavy emphasis on the restoration and conservation of these habitats. However, there aren't much empirical analysis on the response that seagrass restoration has on juvenile fish, such as gag grouper. For that, in my research, I'm using something called causal inference, which is the empirical analysis of the change of one variable, in this case seagrass, has on another variable, in this case young of year juvenile gag grouper. For the method I'll be using is dynamic structural equation modeling, which fits a model that explicitly showcases the relationship between all these ecological variables, just like in this other research on cod. And so to quickly run through it, my early preliminary results has shown that there's a strong relationship between seagrass restoration and gag grouper young of year. In comparison, there is a negative but not significant relationship between harmful algal blooms, that's your red tide, to gag grouper young of year. Interesting enough, with a 1 year time lag, there is a positive relationship between harmful algal blooms and gag grouper. Now, to validate this model, I've also added in a simulation testing. And through the simulation testing, it revealed that my model is quite robust and that the linkages are correct. However, I would like to add additional validation methods as well as more variables to include into my analysis. Thank you.